to wait.
Mother! Mother!
Wait! Wait!
How long? How long?
Till he comes, forever and ever until he comes!
Mother, I'm going ahead with it.
Chris, I never said no to you in my life. Now I say no!
Never let go of him until I do it.
I'll never let go of him and you'll never let go of
I've let
him!
go of him. I've let him go a long, long time ago.
Now let your father go!
She's out of her mind.
Altogether. Your brother is alive, my dear, because if he's dead, your father killed him. Do you understand me now? As long as you're alive, that boy is alive as well. God does not let a son be killed by his father. Now you see, don't you? Now you see.
She's out of her mind.
And you did it.
He never flew a P-40, Chris.
The others.
She's out of her mind.
You did it?
He never flew a P-40. What's the matter with
Yeah,
you?
you did it. To the others.
What's the matter with you? What the hell is the matter
How
with
could
you?
you do that? How?
What's the matter with you?
Dad, you killed 21 men.
What? Killed?
You killed them. You murdered them.
How could I kill anybody?
Dad!
I didn't kill anybody!
Explain to me. What did you do? Explain to me or I'll tear you to pieces.
No, Chris.
I want to know what you did. Now what did you do? You had 125 Kitchenettes. Now what did you do?
You're gonna hate me tonight.
I'm listening. God almighty, I'm listening.
You're a boy! What could I do? I'm in business. A man is in business. 120 cracked, you're out of business. You got a process. The process don't work. You're out of business. They close you up. They tear up your country. What the hell is it to them? You lay 40 years into business. They knock you out in 5 minutes. What can I do? Let them take 40 years? Let them take my life away? I never thought they'd install them. I swear to God, I thought they'd stop them before anybody took off.
Why'd you ship them out?
By the time they could spot them, I thought I'd have the process going again. And I could show them that they needed me again, and they'd let it go by. But weeks passed and I got no kickback, so I was going to tell them.
Why didn't you tell them?
It was too late. They came in with handcuffs in the shop. It was too late. The paper, it was all on the front page. Chris, I did it for you. It was a chance, and I took it for you. I'm 61 years old. And when I get another chance to make something for you, 61 years old, you can take another chance, do you?
You even knew they wouldn't hold up in the air.
I didn't say that.
But you were going to tell them not to use them.
But that don't mean
It means you knew they'd crash. Then you thought they'd crash.
I was afraid, maybe.
You were afraid? Maybe? God in heaven, what kind of a man are you? Kids were hanging in the air by those heads. You knew that.
For you. A business for you.
For me? Where do you live? Where have you come from? For me. I was dying out there every day, and you were killing my boys, and you did it for me? What the hell do you think I was thinking of? The goddamn business? Is that as far as your mind can see, the business? What is that? The world, the business. What the hell do you mean you did it for me? Don't you have a country? Don't you live in the world? What the hell are you? You're not even an animal. No animal kills its own. What are you? What must I do to you? I have to turn the tongue out of your mouth. What must I do? What must I do? My Jesus God! What must I do?
Chris. Chris.
didn't mean to.
No. Take it upon yourself